Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. Today I just want to share with you guys something awesome. I built my first computer and it turned out absolutely amazing. This was like probably a mid-range computer. It has a 4060 Ti in it. It has I have an aftermarket CPU cooler that's pretty cool on it. The CPU is a Ryzen 7 5800 XT. It has 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance, DDR4 3200 megahertz RAM, and then some other cool things. The motherboard, I believe, is a B550 MK by Gigabyte. It's pretty cool. And yeah, I wanted to show you guys this, so give me 1 second. Here is the PC. Looks pretty sick. Not gonna lie, the case was awesome. The case is a Zalman P30, and it is pretty awesome. I love the case, honestly. Case is one of the best parts. And then there we got the RTX 4060. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me on my journey. I can't believe I'm almost at 300 subs already. I really hope to get there soon. But thank you guys so much for watching and liking my content. And I'll continue to post videos and show you guys how the business is doing and what we can get accomplished. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and follow me on my journey. Thank you, peace, and have a great day.